Here's a really easy nighttime theme, especially for kids. So I'm going to create kind of a moon with my big mop brush. I'm just doing a circle. And then as I get out towards the outside, I'm starting to add some darker cobalt blue and purple, keeping along with that curve. This is very similar to the radiating sunset I showed you in my palm tree video. And I like to go back in with some white to blend that in, and especially around the moon. Then I take my round brush and I kind of clean up the edge because I want my moon to be the focus. Then I dry it for the rest of these steps. Now I'm taking another medium round brush and I'm taking some dark brown paint from the one corner and dragging it all the way across underneath my moon. He is going to be a branch. And I'm going to give him some little branches, but I don't want those branches to go in front of my moon, so it's going to look like they're hugging the moon in a way. Just make sure you're doing V's and not having them go straight out from the branches when you do those little branches. There, that's not too bad. And then I'm going to take some tan and add some highlights because this moon is very bright. It's a full moon, so it is shining on those branches. So now I'm going to take another medium round brush with some black paint and start doing a round kind of egg shape with black paint. We're going to make an owl, all right? He's sitting on the branch. You can make him as big as you want. And then I'm taking a detail brush and adding some ears, just two little pointy triangles on the top of his head. And now I want him to see, so I'm going to take some pouncers and white paint and just give him two eyeballs right in the center. And also give him some little black dots. I'm going to do mine kind of off to the side so he is looking off to the left. Then I'm taking some dark yellow and giving him a little point on underneath his eyes for a beak, and three little curved lines coming up from each side of him as feet. Super, super easy. And then I like to add more color to this one. So let me show you what I usually do is I use pouncers and just a couple fall colors. You can do whatever color you want, but I just kind of use it like a stamp and make some polka dots around the branches, kind of abstract. This is one way I do it that's super easy, but if you have kids that are a lot more tactile and just want to have some fun, I suggest finger painting. Look at this. I'm going to use gloves. You don't have to. I'm just going to dip my fingers into the colors and just kind of start dotting it on anywhere you want to add the colors. It is kind of messy, but it is so much fun. You can use one finger at a time or your whole hand. Just put them wherever you want. I don't know. I kind of like both ways. I can't decide. Here's what they look like next to each other. Let me know. What do you think? Finger paint or just polka dots?